Hello everyone and welcome to another video. After seeing the success of the squirrel bust feeders, I wondered whether I needed to look for a feeder to try with a different style of perch for the birds. As you will know from seeing the videos of the squirrel buster, the perch is one where the birds can actually sit and face directly into the opening rather than sit at a sideways angle. And as you can see here, I've managed to find some four-port feeders with the same kind of setup where the birds can sit however they want. If any of you have any of these kind of feeders where the birds can sit facing directly into the opening for the food, I'd be very interested to hear your experience of how they work in your garden, how the birds have taken to them. Are they better than the normal perch where the birds just sit sideways, or is there no real difference? Please, if you have any experience, do comment below. And as you can see here, the feeders have only been out for a few hours, and certainly the goldfinch birds seem to be quite happy with them. The sparrows haven't gone near them yet, but sparrows I find are funny little birds. They are super cautious and they always seem to be the last ones to get used to any changes. I've not much else to say really, so I'll end the video here and leave you watching the goldfinch birds. But please do comment below, let me know if you've any experience of these feeders or just generally what your thoughts are on them. I'd be interested to hear. Thank you for watching, enjoy the rest of the video and bye for now.